I will disassemble the frame on this Sig Sauer 1911-22. First I remove the slide and the grip. Slide and grip are removed, and first I knock out the mainspring housing pin. Before you do that, the hammer has to be up, decocked. Mainspring housing pin, and the mainspring housing can be removed. And in the mainspring housing, the magazine safety is sitting by these two parts here. And I remove this one here. These two parts are the magazine safety. You don't have to put this two part in the mainspring housing again, and you will not have any magazine safety. And the mainspring housing has this pin sitting here. On an ordinary 1911, the pin sitting here. To remove this pin, I use my quick grip, a screw, put it in here, and the quick grip press in the spring. And I take a magnetic screwdriver and take the pin out. The springs are pretty heavy, so be careful when you release the quick grip again. And here we can see all the parts for the mainspring housing. And I remove the left hand safety. Just take it up. To remove the right hand safety, take the hammer down, and you have to find a spot between safety and not safety. And just get it out here. And be careful, this spring here will fly away, so I keep my hand here. And the right hand safety come out. And this spring here. And the grip safety can be removed. And the 3-finger seal spring just jump out. This pistol is a Series 80 pistol. That means it has a firing pin safety. And the firing pin safety in the frame has two parts. One part are sitting on the hammer pin and one part are sitting on the seals pin. First I push out the hammer pin, come there, hammer come out, hammer pin, and the firing pin safety parts, and the seals pin also come out there. And the seals, the disconnector, and the part for the firing pin safety. And here are the parts that are sitting on the seals pin and hammer pin. Seals, disconnector, firing pin safety parts on the hammer pin, and firing pin safety parts on the seals pin. The next thing to remove is the magazine release. Go in here with a screwdriver. I push the magazine release a little, push in the screw and turn it. And the magazine release come out. To take this apart, I go in here with the screwdriver. Turn it. And last things I will disassemble is the trigger. Come out there. In my next video I will resample this frame again. Thank you for watching.
Give me back my bullet.